I'm Professor Ian Fraser and I head the Cancer Immunotherapy Unit at TRI as part of the University of Queensland. We're trying to find a way of curing or better treating head and neck cancer based on the fact that these cancers often express a virus protein that drives the cancer. The whole concept of TRI was that it would bring together the scientists and the clinicians in the same place to talk the same language. The big advantage is the opportunity for collaborations. TRI is right next to the hospital, and that's critically important not only for carrying out the research but for inspiring the people who work on the basic science to understand how important their research actually is.
I'm Sandro Porceddu. I'm a radiation oncologist. I work at the Princess Alexandra Hospital. This is a collaboration between the Princess Alexandra Hospital, the clinicians, the TRI, the scientists, and pharma, all coming together. The beautiful thing is that the Princess Alexandra Hospital is co-located on the same campus as the TRI, which means that there is a very meaningful and productive exchange between the researchers working at the bench and the clinicians working with the patients. It's an incredibly important process having the co-location of the scientists and the clinicians and the patients.
My name is Neil Finlayson. I'm the Chief Executive Officer for Endeavours Immunotherapies. I'd have to say that it's a great institute, being at the TRI and with the clinicians involved and really keen to be involved. The great thing about the TRI is the number of researchers here and the different research projects they're working on, and also the ability to be able to get access to them quite easily. It's great being at the Translational Research Institute because we've got our laboratories co-located with my offices and also with our collaborator, Professor Fraser. And we've also had collaborations with other researchers here at the TRI as well.